Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today we are diving into a very important story about India's stocks market and the record breaking capital outflows by foreign investors. In recent months, India's stock market has been under growing pressure and the numbers are painting a worrying picture. According to data compiled by Bloomberg, foreign investors have already pulled out $16.8 billion from Indian equities up until September 26th of this year. To put this into perspective, this figure is very close to the record level of outflows India saw back in 2022. On Monday alone, the preliminary data showed another $319 million flowing out of the market. This shows that the sell-off is not slowing down. In fact, it's accelerating. So, what is driving this massive withdrawal of foreign capital? Analytics point to a few major factors. First, US tariffs are creating uncertainty in global trade. Investors are worried that India might face additional challenges if trade tensions between Washington and New Delhi continues to grow. Second, corporate earnings in India have not been performing as strongly as many expected. The weak growth outlook has shaken confidence and is pushing global investors to rethink their positions in Indian companies. And third, a recent political decision had added even more fuel to fire. US President Donald Trump has announced a significant increase in H-1B visa fees, which directly affects Indian IT companies, since many of these companies rely heavily on skilled workers in the United States. The increased costs are expected to hurt their margins. As a result, the sell-off in Indian stock has accelerated this quarter. Now, the big question is, will this trend continue? Analytics believe that the chance of a strong comeback for foreign inflows are limited in the short terms. That's because there is still a lot of uncertainty about whether the United States and India can reach a trade deal soon. Without a positive breakthrough, investors are likely to remain cautious. At the same time, India's corporate earnings need to show stronger growth before global confidence can return. Until then, foreign capital may continue to flow out, putting further pressure on Indian markets. This development is not just about numbers on a screen, it has real implications for India's economic, local investors, and even global markets. As foreign funds leave, liquidity tightens, stock valuations can drop, and market volatility often increases. For long-term investors, this could represent both a challenge and an opportunities. While many may panic at the falling numbers, others could see this as a chance to buy quality Indian stocks and discounted prices, especially if they believe in the country's long-term growth story. In conclusion, India's stock market is currently facing one of its toughest challenges in recent years. Record foreign outflows, weak corporate earnings, and rising geopolitical tensions are all combining to create uncertainty. The next few months will be critical in determining whether India can stabilize in market of if this trend continues to escalate. That's all for today. Deep dive into India's stock market and the ongoing foreign capital outflows. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more updates on global markets and economic trends. Thanks.